Naturalization files are among the most information-dense records in American genealogy, and most people never request them. The process created several documents. The Declaration of Intention, the first papers, typically records birthplace, birth date, arrival port and date, physical description, and last foreign residence. The petition for naturalization adds spouse and children with their birth dates and places, plus witnesses who were usually relatives or close neighbors. Those witnesses matter because they are living connections you can trace forward. Where to look depends on timing. Before 1906, naturalization could happen in almost any court, so records scatter across county, state, and federal courthouses. After 1906, the process standardized and copies went to the federal government, which means they are now obtainable through Immigration Services genealogy programs and the National Archives. Knowing which era you are in tells you which door to knock on. Our research team runs these searches for families tracing origins. If this was useful, please like and subscribe. Order at peoplelocatorskiptracing.com.